Now let's move on to the next command, that is arc. Okay, arc, enter. Once you see arc, it will once you enter into the arc command, you will see that specify start point of arc or center. It will ask something like this. See, the best practice, if you want to use arc command, it would be better and it will be more efficient if you use the ribbon bar. That will be more better. Okay, so let me escape this. Okay, because from here, if you click here, you will see there are lots of options available for creating arc. Lots of options like 3-point arc, start, center, end. Okay, start, center, angle, then start, center, length, like that. Lots of options which are available. So let us see one by one. Now, see here. Before starting the arc from ribbon bar, let us understand some terminologies like included angle. Okay, what is included angle in arc? What is included angle in arc? See, suppose this is an arc. You know, arc is nothing but a section of a circle. So this is a section of a circle which is nothing but an arc. And here, this angle is nothing but your included angle. Let's say this is theta. This theta is the included angle. Okay, this theta is nothing but your included angle. This is the included angle. Obviously, this is the radius, this is the center, and from center to this is radius. So r is the radius of the arc. Okay, and that's the included angle. So let us see. So first is the 3-point. First point, second point, third point, and the arc is drawn. You have to select 3 points and you will get the arc. See here. 3-point, first point, this is the second point, this is the third point. So with the help of third point, I have drawn this particular arc. So these are very simple. Okay. Now, let us see some more options of arc. We have center, start, center, end. Start, center, end. So let me draw a reference line. Okay. Now, go to arc, start, center, end. So we are using the option start, center, end. So start point of arc, this one. Then it is asking center point. This will be the center. Okay, you have to use both the things. I am activating the arc command using ribbon bar, and all the response of the AutoCAD I can see from the command bar. So that's the center. Let's say this is the center. Now you can see the arc which I am getting is nothing but, see, sometimes I am getting a quarter circle and then this is a semicircle. Okay, like that. Suppose you don't want like this, you have to put ortho off here. Put the ortho off. Now you can see this is the arc. This is the arc. Now something is written. Hold control to switch direction. Hold control to switch the direction. So hold the control button, you will see the opposite arc is drawn. Understood? This is the arc. Suppose you want the arc in the other side, just hold it and move the mouse. You will get the arc on the other side. I hope you got my point. Now, there are two options. There is end point of arc. If you want the end point, if you click here, the arc will be up to here. If you click here, left click here, then the arc will be up to here. But I want some angle. Suppose the included angle is 60 degree. So go to this angle. Okay, included angle. Let me give it 60 degree. Enter. Now you will see that this arc which I have drawn is a arc of some radius. Radius is equal to this line length, and the included angle is 60 degree. You want to check, you have to go to parametric, angle, select this and this. See, 60 degree is the included angle. I hope you got the point. So this was the first method. Now start center angle. This is already done. Okay, start center end already given. Start center angle, that is also already I have explained. The angle, included angle. Start center end, that is already done. Now the third one is start center length. Okay, start center length. Let me erase this one first, or let us try here. Go to arc, start center. This is the start, this is the center. Okay, now it is asking the length of the chord. It is asking the length of the chord. Let me give the length of the chord as 300. Invalid. Why it is invalid? Because the chord length is too high. Let me give some smaller value. This is the start, this is the start, this is the center, and chord length, let us take 100. Okay, 100 is the chord length. So what is chord actually? If you measure from here to here, this straight line is your chord. Okay, this straight line is your chord. In a circle, if you join 2 points on the circumference, this line is your chord. I hope you got my point. This line is your chord. So I gave chord length as 100, right? So if you measure from here to here, you will get 100. How to measure it? We can directly go dim. I haven't explained the dim command, so not an issue. Okay, just I am checking it. Okay, dim, select this point, select this point. See, 100. Can you see that? The chord length is 100. Okay, yes, dim command I will explain in a separate chapter in detail manner. Okay, so let us erase this. Not this one. Do undo. Yes. So we have got start, center, end. Start, center, end is nothing but, see, this is the start, this is the center. Now end, you can mention here, 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 here. Suppose here. So this is the end. Start, this is the center, and that was the end. Like that. And if you go to start, center, angle, this is the start, this is the center, and angle, it will ask directly included angle. I gave 60. So this 60 is the included angle. Okay, and also this is done. Start, center, length. Length is nothing but your chord length. Now we have some other options. Start, end, angle. Okay, go to, this is the start, this is the end of the arc, this is the start of the arc, this is the end of the arc. The arc will end here. Now I want to give angle. Okay, if you want to switch the direction, suppose you don't want this arc, you have to hold the control button. See, the direction of the arc is changed. If you leave the if you leave the control button, then you will get this. If you hold the control button, you will get this. So something like this. So included angle, suppose let me give included angle as 100. So included angle is 100. So this is a arc whose included angle is 100. See, this is the center, this is the start, this is the end of the arc. If you join a line between these 2 points and another line between these 2 points, that will be the included angle. So that included angle, okay? See, this one center, right? From here to here. Now, if you measure angle between these two lines, that will be your included angle, which I just gave 100. I hope this is clear. Okay, let me erase this. Select and delete. Go to start, end, and direction. So start, this is the end and direction. So see, can you see this tangent? Starting from here, the tangent is starting from here. Now it is asking the direction, whether you want here, here, or here. In which direction you want. Okay, so that's the direction you have to mention. Okay, so let me give this direction. See, this is the tangent which you can see from the start point and the crosshair. Okay, the line between the start point of the arc and the crosshair, that's the tangent. So if I left click here, you will get the arc using start, end, and direction. So very simple. Now the third is start, end, radius. Start, end, and you can give radius. Let me give 150. So this is a arc of 150 radius. It is the start point and this is the end point. Very simple. Now next, center, start, end. Now you have to specify the start point, center point first, then the start point. Okay, this was the center point. This is the start point here. Okay, now again same thing, angle, end point, or chord length. Any of the option you can use. As of now, end point of arc. So suppose if I click here, so this is the end point of arc. So center I choose, then start, then end, like that. So that's very simple. So see, again center. So this is the center, this is the start. Now it is directly asking angle. Okay, center, start, angle, right? So included angle, let me give 150. So it is a arc whose included angle is 150. Very simple. So this is again same, center, start, chord length. So I'm not explaining this. I assume that it is quite similar to this only. But you have to mention the start, center, end, and here center, start, end. Center, start, and length. Then continue. If you continue from where the end point was for the previous arc, from there itself, the arc will begin. Now, if you go to continue again, see that previous endpoint will become the starting point of the present arc. So that's all about arc. It's very simple. Okay. Now,